This virtual trade show presentation is designed to give an overview of just some of the featured products offered by PLP.
Hi, I'm Jim Burt, and I'm going to take a few minutes to explain some of the features of the newest COYOTE closure, the COYOTE 1. The COYOTE 1 features a boltless cover, a 3-port segmented end plate, and uses our standard COYOTE silicone grommets. This allows for easy and quick changes of cables to be installed without disturbing the existing cables in the unit. Now let's take a few minutes to take a look inside the COYOTE 1. The segmented end plate allows grommets with cables to be quickly installed either in the center port or either of the two outside ports. Once the segment portion is placed on top and bolted together, compresses the grommet, you have a cable watertight seal in each of the 3 ports that are available. Once you have the interior organizer and end plates assembly fully installed into the cover, you're ready to place the 2-piece hinged ring around the lip comprised of the end plate and the cover. Fold the hinge over, fully thread the thumb bolt all the way down, and you've completed the installation of the new COYOTE 1. The last step, don't forget to flash test via the included air valve right on the front of the end plate. If you should have any more questions or need any more information about the COYOTE 1, please contact your local PLP representative. Let me show you some of the features and benefits of the COYOTE inline runt splice closure. Introduced to the market in early 2005, it's been used by a wide variety of U.S. communications companies and companies in other countries in a wide variety of aerial, underground, and direct buried applications. We also offer a dual chamber version, a fire retardant version, and up to a 12-port terminal version. The COYOTE inline runt is considered a medium capacity splice closure and can support splicing operations up to 96 single fusion splices and 288 mass or ribbon fusion splices. If you need any further information on the COYOTE inline runt, please contact your local PLP representative.
Hi, I'm Gary Kraut, and today we're going to talk about the COYOTE low count closure from Preformed line products. First up is the COYOTE DTC, drop termination closure. The lid has a neoprene gasket seal for the sealing of the unit, and the base becomes the tray. It's designed for flat or round wire drop, shielded or not, and it has an entrance point for butt splice configurations as you see here, or it can be used for inline splicing, or you can have inline with lateral pulls off, up to 4 cables in and out. We use the yellow chips that are standard on our trays for holding the shrink protectors on the single fusion. It has a capacity of 16 single fusion splicers or 36 ribbon splices in this unit. It closes by merely snapping it shut and using a flat blade screwdriver to reopen it. It's designed to be mounted in handholds, manholes, direct buried, up on a pole, on flat wall surfaces. The next unit we're going to talk about is the COYOTE LCC. This is the low count closure. It's a little larger. It's designed with a neoprene gasket seal around both sides, both edges, and it uses our traditional blue silicone grommets for sealing the closure, and it comes in various configurations. Again, you will see the yellow single fusion splice connectors. You'll see storage, and this will do up to 24 single fusion splices and up to 72 ribbon or mass fusion splice applications. This comes in several configurations in our catalog. You can utilize that, and of course you can always call and ask for help from one of our field support representatives. One other thing I'd like to bring out is the fact that the unit is designed for fireproof applications, It can be used in a building for a first splice in for fire retardancy splice case requirements. Today we're going to talk about one of the newest members to the COYOTE family. It's called the COYOTE GLC. It's the ground level closure. It's a hermetically sealed closure set up as a pedestal to house fiber splices. The first part of the unique unit is the fact that we have a base for lot line distribution of fiber. This base is 18 inches by 18 inches by 12 inches deep. It will hold up to 50 foot of cable if it's 0.6 or below in diameter. It has a lid for pre-installation before the splicing is due when the cable is being placed. The upper portion is a COYOTE closure. This one's a 19 inch. This one here is a 28 inch. These closures are designed as a hermetically sealed unit, just like all the other domed COYOTE closures are. This unit is also set up to handle loose tube fiber, ribbon fiber. In this particular case, we've built a cross connect in it, so it can work as a cross connect unit. The top portion will be placed on top of the box at the time of splicing. When you want to take it into the trailer to work on it, there are 4 bolt points on the 4 corners. You remove it, take it into your splicing trailer, set it up and do your splicing, and then bring it back, coil your fiber back into the base, seal it up, and walk away. It's sealed and ready to go. As I said, the closure comes in a 28-inch version, which is just the longer version of the COYOTE closure, with a longer trays and a higher count splices. You'll notice the material is a green material that meets the fire code standards for field fires and such that they have to have for pedestals and the applications. The beauty of this unit is it's designed with a sealed end plate. That prevents critters, mice, rats, red ants, roaches, whatever, from getting in, chewing on the fiber, causing service outages. This is a hermetically sealed unit that stands alone. The sections are in 2 half pieces, so if anybody would hit it with a vehicle, you can repair it simply by taking the broken half off and putting it back together, and it's back in service. This is one of the newest products we have in our COYOTE family line. If you'd like some more information on it, please give us a call. You contact your PLP representative.
Hi, my name's Art Ryder. I'd like to take just a few minutes of your time today to discuss the attributes of the COYOTE dome closure family. 3 key points: simplicity, reliability, and flexibility. Simplicity. There's no re-entry kits, there's no special tools, there's very few parts. They're quick, fast, and easy to install, very craft friendly. Reliability. They're built in accordance to ISO procedures. They meet or exceed GR 771. They've been time tested in the real world in which they have to perform. Flexibility. Closures come in 4 sizes: organizers and splice trays for either loose tube or ribbon fiber. The patented segmented end plate silicone grommet sealing system. Multiple hole grommets allow for all types of cable configurations: feeder, laterals, or drops. The segmented end plate allows for cables and their sealing grommet to enter the outside edge of the end plate. The segmented end plate allows for easy access of cables, whether it's for a real end splice or an express splice. Each segment allows for a safe haven for working cables while adding new laterals to existing splice closures. Closures can be used aerial, buried, or underground. A dome style with a closing collar system allows for quick closing and re-entry. Please contact your local Preformed line products representative with your application needs and for assistance in selecting the best products for your network.